Hello everyone, you can upload your CG remotely in Visual Director. First, go to Setting and select CG Server. It has port and also password to connect. The default will be admin. After that, click OK. Let's open the CG editor. Select the format you want and then click OK. You can click this to connect to the VJ Director or go to Setting and select Connect. For the server, write the IP address and the port. Then for the password, admin. Once you're done, click Connect. When it is successful, you will be able to publish CG. So let's create a simple CG. Add the text. Then picture. After that, publish CG to Visual Director. Let's go to Visual Director and check. As you can see, the CG is now published to VGM. So let's add a clock and then click this to update CG. So the CG has been updated. To remove the CG, click on this button. And now the CG is removed. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoyed the video.